Welcome to the in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget, and after that hold for a while your device screen with your finger. Here you'll see the widgets icon, just click here once, and now you can see here all the available widgets which we can add to our device home screen. And now, for example, we can add the calendar, the regular one, or the shadow. Just click once here, or just hold it for a while and drag it, for example, here to the left upper corner. We can change the size here on this widget. As can you see, that's really simple. So just we can make it bigger or smaller. And if you want to remove the widget, just hold it and drag it here to the right upper corner to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.